Hello, kamusta po? At dito po kararating lang galing ng trabaho. At mag-isa ako dito dahil si Noy may pasok ngayong gabi, no? Pamaya-maya pa ng gabi darating. Okay, at I would just like to show you magiging design ng konti dahil minsan meron tayong international na nakakapanood. Some of our orchids here, and it's springtime. Most of them are now in bloom. Yes, courtesy of my wife. And this is my favorite, actually, one of them. Hello. Yeah. So now, let's see. One of the beautiful designs, an array of flowers there. Also, there you go. We're living in a condominium, so it's very hard to make them grow. So we have to do make our own lights and our humidifier. And oh, what do we have here? Something is hiding. Oh, there. Ito yung sa mga pinakamahirap na i-grow, ano? One of the more difficult flowers to grow, and this is called the Dracula orchid. Yeah, there we go. It's still a little weak, but it's gonna grow stronger, hopefully. And there's another bloom there. Here's another one. So we have to keep them in this enclosed area, so they'll have the proper humidity and proper temperature. There we go. Okay. Hanggang sa susunod po. Till next time.